This is what we're changing out today. We got all Pushmatic panel. We are going to be upgrading it to a Siemens. Well, I mean, at least you didn't. All right, good morning. We are currently going to be heading our way to Winterset at the moment, and we are going to be updating somebody's panel. It looks like it's a Pushmatic from the pictures. We're going to be updating it to a 100 amp Siemens main breaker panel, and we are going to be upgrading their grounding system and also inserting a home surge protector. So we're going to be heading that way now, and see you there whenever we get there. All right, we are here in Winterset at the moment, and this is what we're changing out today. We got all Pushmatic panel. We are going to be upgrading it to a Siemens. So hang tight. We are going to be starting to swap this out, and you're going to watch a little experience. Laundry room. Yeah, he says he understands, and usually it happens like that. He's like, if you need to swap it out that way, go for it. I'm like, awesome. Living room. That won't be upstairs. Unusual. Well, I mean, at least you didn't. Well, I got all the grounds landed, all the main wires landed, grounding bushing, got the surge in. Before we didn't have a grounding bushing, so we ended up adding that in.
Okay.
We got a good majority of some of these found out. Okay. The other ones, the homeowner said that he was going to find out more of them, or okay, if he doesn't feel like doing it, we'd have to come back and just do it himself.
Okay. Okay.
So
yeah, let's try and get all of them that we can.
Yeah, absolutely. I figured by the time you go and get this release, I get all these landed. If the utility company comes soon enough, I can go and get the rest of this labeled.
Okay.
So it's not much to look at the moment, but from what we had to extend everything out. Since we can't run new wire, we made everything work. So everything's all done. We're going to be labeling the panel as soon as the electrical guys come on through and restore power. All right, well, that's pretty much it. We all got cleaned up, everything that was ours anyways. Panel is mainly labeled other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all in all, not a bad deal. Be easy to figure out once we get the power turned on. But other than that, should be ready to go. So the reason why we ended up having to change everything out is because it was the old Pushmatic panel and wasn't grounded, didn't have any kind of grounding system to it, didn't even have a grounding bushing to it, because anything that goes from the meter to a panel, especially with a centric knockout, you need a grounding bushing. So all in all, again, pretty smooth setup. Thanks for a shout out to Jeremy for helping me out on that one. Went a lot smoother than what it would have been on my own. Could be done on my own, but at the same time, who wants to do that? All right, I am Dominic with Rewired Iowa, and we are signing off for today. Have a good one, guys.